Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to edit snippets, make multilingual from backend. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration and Snippets. Now go to Front End, Index and then Menu Footer. Click on Edit Selected Snippets. Fill out the text field and save. Now go to Configuration and clear Shop Cache. Go to Shop and refresh the page to see the changes. Go to Translation Settings. Fill out the text field. Click Save. Go to Shop and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.